Good morning, everybody. Welcome to San Antonio Living. I'm Shelly Miles. I hope you're having a great day. We are starting things off in the kitchen this morning with a family favorite for many years. LaLa's Gorditas has some of the best gorditas and puffy tacos in town, and owner Steven is here to tell us a little bit more. It's good to see you.
Hey,
Thanks
Shelly,
for
how
coming
are
in
you?
this morning.
Thanks for having us again.
Oh, it smells so good in here.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, so let's talk about the gorditas and what makes them very special.
Well, we nixtam our own corn, and we have a molino that my great uncle Frank invented and manufactured in 1932, and we grind our own corn and make our own masa fresh every day at LaLa's. That's what's unique and different about LaLa's.
That's what sets you guys apart. We've got some
Absolutely.
video of the making of all of that happening, and I think it's so important because this is an old family recipe.
It is, yeah. Since well, my aunt opened the Teca Molino in 1938, and we've been making Tex-Mex food since then.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Well, we're seeing how it's done. Show us over here what we're going to do
well,
this
this is a new menu item that I came up with. I'm calling it a TexMex Ravioli. It's kind of like a jalapeno popper. It has cheddar cheese in it. I was going to let you make one.
Oh my gosh,
and
it looks amazing.
Just put some jalapenos in a food processor.
Okay.
And it's very simple.
I love this concept because
it kind of ties in both.
Well,
it kind of ties in both of my heritage. Yeah. My last name is Pizzini, so I have my Italian heritage and my Mexican heritage with this dish. So we just kind of crimp the edges, and that's what kind of makes it, to me, makes it look like a ravioli, right?
It does look like a ravioli.
Right? Kind of big for a ravioli, but anyway.
It's okay, we like things a little bit bigger here in Texas,
yeah,
right?
There you go.
I know.
I knew you were going to say that.
Yes, of course. So good. It's like a little hand sandwich.
Yeah, so you can almost call it an empanada as well, right? But that's my nomenclature for it, Tex-Mex ravioli. And then we just deep fry it.
Okay. Oh, those look so good.
They are good. They're a little spicy, but I like to kick. We'll cut them in half.
Okay. Look at that, guys. So good.
And
I think we just invented something new.
We did. We certainly did.
Nice.
I
Look
think
at how
so.
good those are.
There you go.
Okay, so you're serving those in the restaurant?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that
Yep.
looks amazing. What would you top it with? I know you guys have some delicious salsas.
Well, we have, I'll put it on this side so you can kind of dip it. This is our house-made crema, and this is our chipotle aioli, and this we'll use this curtido. It's a South American cabbage.
That looks amazing. Okay, I'm gonna dig in. Let's talk a little bit more about the restaurant because you guys have some great indoor seating as well as outdoor.
We do, and that's, to me, that's our biggest weakness is our facilities because we don't have air conditioning, but we do have this covered patio now that it seems to be a lot more comfortable in there now that I've covered it and closed it, put a swamp cooler in there, so even in the heat of the day, it could be 100 degrees outside and it's 78 degrees inside our patio. So
this is so good.
Isn't it good?
Oh my gosh.
It's different, right?
Yes, the outside is so good.
Not too spicy for you?
No, and that's that dip right there.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
My husband would love this with the
Chipotle
jalapeno.
aioli, yeah, exactly. Lots of garlic in that sauce.
Good.
Yeah, thank you.
So good. Well, guys, go on out and get one. LaLa's Gorditas. They are cooling things off, so you can come on in and enjoy the patio. So nice. They are on Roosevelt Avenue. The phone number to call if you've got questions is 465-7157. And also go to lalasgorditas.com for more. You guys open today?
We are
All right.
at 11 till
Swing
10
on by
p.m. Yes.
at 11. Pick one of these up. So good.